Okay, so this is a quick review of 4142. So we're using Joe and his credit card, and it has an 18% APR, and his bank statement listed previous balance of $310.33, purchases of $219.67, fees of $75, payments of $150, and credits of $62.69. If the credit card company uses daily periodic rate, what is Joe's finance charge and new balance on a 31-day billing cycle? Okay, so this one just wants the finance, well, no, it says finance charge and new balance. So let's go with okay, so his periodic rate, and then we want daily. So this is the 18% divided by 365. So 18 divided by 365. And remember, we need 5 decimal places. So 0.04931. And that's the place. So it's going to be 0.0493%. Okay. And we are going to find his finance charge. And we're going to go ahead, since it doesn't specifically say. Well, okay, so that's that. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to actually figure out his finance charge and new balance using both of these. So on this first slide, the only thing we were going to do was find the percent. So then the previous balance method is just simply, we're going to take the $310.33 and multiply it by 0.000493 times, and then if you look back up here, it says a 31-day cycle. So 31 days. So we're going to go $310.33 times 0.000493. And if you only did that, I would hope that you would think that your interest needed to be, or your finance charge would be more than 15 cents. So we have to multiply that by the 31 days. So it's $4.74. Okay, so then the new balance, so we'll just start with the previous balance from all that stuff from up here. So 310.33, and then we had purchases, so it's going to go up by $219.67. There were some fees, so that's $75. Made a payment of $150, and credits of $62.69. Sorry about the atrocious handwriting because of the pen. Okay, but then we got to remember to bring this down here. So plus $4.74. So we'll just go 310.33 plus 219.67 plus 75 minus 150 minus 62.69 plus 474. So I got a total of 397.05. And that's the previous balance method. Then we have the adjusted balance method, which, if you remember, we just start with the 310.33, and then we're going to subtract our our payments and our credits, because those are things we shouldn't have to pay interest on because we don't owe that anymore. So you shouldn't pay interest on something you don't owe. Oops. 310.33 minus 150 minus 62.69, 97.64 times the 0.000493 times the 31% or 31 days is $1.49. So then we're going to go ahead and just use the 97.64 because it already took care of our previous balance, our payments, and our credits. So we're just going to add our purchases and our fees, and then we're going to add our finance charge. So all these things added together is $393.80, which isn't a massive difference, but hey, I'll take it. So there are worksheets that go along with this extra practice.